halfway through.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go throw up.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service in New Jersey, Monmouth, New Jersey. The high tide occurs at 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. this morning, and then at 7 a.m., at 7 p.m. and at 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. this evening.
Luigi, we don't want to see your toenail
1.2
right,
feet water above ground level is possible in tidal water waves.
Okay, fine, whatever.
You like it.
All right, sure.
The lives will be at risk to anyone who enters the surf in the warned areas. Repeating, a coastal flood was located in Monmouth, New Jersey. This may affect Burlington, Delaware, Cumberland in Delaware, and in New Jersey, Monmouth, East Monmouth, Western Monmouth.
I'm just gonna put my towel there and yeah, I'm gonna take a shower.
Repeating once again. There has been a coastal flood located near shorelines for the following counties: Eastern Monmouth, New Jersey, Western Monmouth, New Jersey, Delaware. Located 1.2 above ground level as possible. If you have this is a life-threatening situation. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded waters. The vehicle will be damaged. This is a life-threatening situation. Get ready to prepare yourself for this danger. This flood will be near. At 8:05 p.m. 8:05 a.m. effective until 2:08 p.m. Please protect yourself from salt water 1.2 meters.
Here it is.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Yossi, but I don't know why you
If you are outdoors, seek an immediate shelter in a building.
Okay.
A sturdy building.
Why does it smell like poo?
Do not go outdoors.
Okay, that was odd.
The water will be deeper if you think. This will be a life-threatening situation to anyone who enters the surf in.
Did you use my towel as toilet paper again?
Life-threatening to anyone who enters the surf in the warned areas.
Before any harm gets done.
Yes.
Luigi, I thought you said you would never do that again.
Sorry, Mario.
Ah, Luigi, now I have to take another shower because I smell like poo.
What the fuck?
You ready, Luigi?
Oh, yeah.
Is it cold in here? Because someone should raise the temperature. Luigi, what are you doing?
Pouring myself a bowl of cereal.
Yeah, so what?
Without any milk. Oh, how are you gonna top that, Mario? This is pretty spicy.
Well, you see, Luigi, I also got myself a bowl of cereal, but unlike you, I'm actually gonna put a substance in there.
What are you gonna put in it? Milk, you loser.
You know, I have to say, Luigi, this is pretty spicy, but you wouldn't be able to withstand this.
Well, I'm gonna get Tabasco as well.
Oh, wow. What are you gonna do, copy me?
Yeah, but unlike you, I'm gonna add a little bit of flavor. You know, like strawberries or baby jalapeno. Yeah. What is that, Mario?
Oh, this baby? This is a package that came all the way from Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Yeah. It contains